Hi, it's Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. In this video, we're going to show you how to change the light bulb in a shop light. Okay, what we have here is a 4-foot shop light. 2 fluorescent tubes, and kind of as a rule of thumb, if one of them's burned out, as you can see here, the other one probably should be replaced as well, because chances are that one's going to burn out pretty soon also. Now, there are other factors that can concern a light fixture like this of why a bulb isn't working. It could be a starter, or it could be something called the ballast that runs the fluorescent fixture. But in this case, it appears to be just a light bulb, and that's always the first place to start. Now, the first thing to do before you work on any light fixture is to turn off the light. Okay, these clips on each end of the fixture are actually holding the fluorescent tube in place, also providing the electrical power to the pins that I'm going to show you in a second. Grab the bulb with 2 hands, and you're going to rotate the bulb, either clockwise or counterclockwise, doesn't matter, and you're going to pull it down. Now, you see these 2 pins? These pins, there's 2 on the other side as well, go up into these clips, and you're going to pull this down. This bulb should be recycled and disposed of properly, but now I'm going to go down and get the new tube and reinstall it. With our new tube, remember these pins that I told you about, you're going to line these up with those clips, and you're going to go straight up. And you can see when you look inside those clips, there's a little slit that you're going to roll that into, and then when you push it all the way up, again you're going to rotate the tube, and it's going to kind of click in place. Did you hear that? When you pull down a little bit, it shouldn't move, and it should be set in place. Double check the other one. And now, once those tubes are in place, it's time to turn on the light and see if it works. And that's it. Click your fingers with the magic of video, and the light works. If you need more information, just go to our website, acehardware.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or better yet, you want a shop light like this, go to your local Ace Hardware store, because Ace is the helpful place.